Hello, YouTubers. This is Yugioh Pro Master here, and welcome to the back of this. Say how to build a deck. How to build it, and how to build a deck. That's our 4 major tips how to build a deck. It's actually so simple, fact that anyone can do it. It's so simple. 4 tips. Tip number 1. Let's go. Let's go down here. I choose sharks just because for example, I just use the sharks as an example to explain how you do it. It's actually very simple. First, we first go to tip. This is tip number 1. Read the playstyle. Read all the playstyles here. Read all of it if you wanted to. But if you know read this playstyle, read all of it. Take your time with it. You don't have to rush. You just don't have to rush it. For that, you don't have to rush it. You don't have to rush. All you can do is take your time. Read this playstyle. That's the tip number 1 for you. Say how to deck build. And now as a tip number 2, if you read the playstyle. Tip number 2. Let's look at the cards I recommend cards with. Click one of them. Click one of these ones. And any of these ones you want. And that way it gives you the ability to see the card and see the effects and all that as well. And yeah, and so forth. Choose the cards. Do you like this one? You like this one? Or you like this one? You like this one? Whatever it will be. Choose the cards you want to choose. Choose the cards. Just choose one. Just choose 40 cards to the deck, or 13 cards if you want to play times 5 by 3. You get 39, and then you just choose one more card on top. So yeah, and that's tip number 2. That's for the choose the recommends cards. Recommends when he recommends it for spells, traps, and monsters. The way he recommends it. Now, tip number 3. The weakness of the deck you choose it. And it says most decks that's why normal summoning because all that. Basically, read the weakness of read the weakness of the deck itself. Read that weakness. Read it. Take your time with it. You don't have to rush it. There's no rush. There's literally no rush at all. Anyway, now take your time. Read the weakness. If the archetypes you've chosen, if it doesn't have a weakness, it doesn't appear on the screen on your screen. Then just then think it no weakness will be. But this one does. This one does. To make it easier for you. Now. We read the weakness. When you read the weakness of the deck, simple way to do it. 2 ways you could do it. Another way, which is say choose a card to actually counter to cover the weakness of the deck itself. For example, say call the God of Grave to counter the aspects of joint spins, or Cross Out Destiny. I know there's a Cross Out Destiny is a really expensive card, but yeah, so forth. And to counter the infinite permanence. So you have to put those 2 cards into the deck. That way you can counter those 2. You can counter those 2 specifically if you want to build this version of the deck or something like that. Or any deck in general. And yeah, this is there's 3 major tips how to build the deck. And also, secondly, and that's a tip number 4. Go on YouTube, type in the deck you want to play in, what can most YouTubers the deck specifically what cards they choose inside the deck as well. And that's tip number 4. That's tip number 4, which is what on YouTubers and tells you the decks that play as well. So to tell you it tells you the decks well, it tells you the decks cards that are played inside the archetype, so to make it easier for you. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe of this channel. And the reason that I made this video specifically is because it helps with the new players. It helps new players to get into the game if they so decide to do it way. I just use the sharks as an example. That is all. And yeah, and I say enjoy your rest of your week. Have a nice day. And like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll do read comments as well. And post a like on it as well. And I also post a heart on it as well. And yeah, enjoy your day. And enjoy the rest of your day. And have a good day. This is Yugioh Masters signing off.